Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we have this Buture jump starter. You guys can check it out there. Now I do want to go ahead and mention really quick that I was given this product in exchange for an honest review. So let's go ahead and get started. Now here it does come in a nice little case here with a strap. As we open it, very nice unit. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, it does come included with your cables, and we're gonna go check out what else comes included. So this is all that comes included in this unit. You have your device, carry case, 2 USB-Cs, the adapter for a socket, and your cables, positive and negative. Connect this. It also has for the USB-C, USB 1, USB 2. So I do want to go over this. This product does have quick charging, and this right here is your force start mode. This of course is your power, so we hit that. Has 84%. Gives you the battery charge level right here. And so it also has a light mode. You long press the power button, you get your light mode. Now we will press, so when we press the power button, that gives us this flashlight. If we press it again, it's a strobe. If we do it again, it's an orange strobe. This is an SOS, and that's off. You are on the side of the road, you can use that strobe light as an emergency signal as well. So it doubles as that, and it gives you instructions back here as well. So you really can't go wrong with this. And last but not least, in order to charge the device, here's a Type-C port. You would connect that to the wall, onto an adapter, and that will charge your device. Alright, so here's the car that we will be showcasing, this jump starter. So here is the battery voltage, 6.2, so it's pretty dead, not too great. Okay everyone, so also when it comes to connecting this, it is very simple. It has a flat end right there, so you connect it, and there you go, it's connected. Okay, so we're gonna take our jump start, and all we do is connect it to the corresponding cable, and you see it's already on. It is already working. All I have to do is turn the key. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on now. There you go. And so you see that was 85. It powered the car. All you gotta do is simply put the clamps on, turn the key, and it'll work. Remember, the battery was at 6.5 or 6.2 volts. It was very dead, and it works. This is a great jump starter. I've already been trying it out, so I've been testing it before this, and it works very great. And that concludes today's video. So thank you all, and have a great one.